I finished up my Christmas village and I finished up my Christmas ornament series. I'm starting to try out some tea bag holders in the shape of Christmas trees. And as I was decorating my kitchen, it occurred to me that the magnets on my fridge that I made for Easter, and they're very spring and summery and they've been hanging all year, should be replaced with some Christmas themed refrigerator magnets. And so I'm going to start out by making a bunch of 2x2 squares in light sky blue. Or as I dig through my bin, I'm going to use whatever looks like it could be close to light sky blue, because I don't actually have any sheet glass that's light sky blue. As I go through my blue bin, I don't have a lot where I can get a 2x2 square. So I'm doing anything that looks like it might work. And I love these swirly colors because they'll look like a beautiful blue sky behind it. And I'm thinking these 2x2s are actually going to be too big for the set. So I might cut them down to 1.5x2s. And then I'm going to dig through and find all my little shards that look like trees and all my little murini that look like snowmen or birds. And then I will bring you back. Before I get to decorating, I was looking for something to put snow, and I went to my bin and I found a bunch of rolled edges. So I'm going to put little rolled edges to make it look like a snowbank. So I found little animal murini from Tabitha, snowmen from, I think it's Lori Moreno at Wilderness Glass. I bought those a while ago. Freeze infused trees and leaves that I made. And then some water jet cut pine trees that I thought were wonderful until I realized that they don't really fit anything, but they would be perfect for this. So then I'll get some little frit balls to decorate them. It'll look like a little Christmas tree in the woods. I made some little frit balls to finish the gingerbread house that I'm going to do a remake of. So I have plenty of little red balls to decorate them with. I have the Gen-Ken kiln running, and I don't have enough to fill it for another run tonight. So I think I'll use the Paragon, which is a smaller kiln. And I'll put some shelf paper or thin fire on there and build right on the shelf. So let me get these all cleaned and start building. Okay, the bases are done. So I need to just let them dry a little bit and then decide which decoration is going on which one. These are going to be really simple, so it won't take too long once they're dry. And then I'll put them in the smaller kiln. I'll put them in the Paragon for a tack fuse. And by tomorrow morning they will be done, and then I can tack the magnet on the back and be ready within 2 days to hang them on the fridge. I must have put too much glue because they're sliding around a little bit. Oh, then I might have to grind because it doesn't want to cut. As I was finishing these up, I found a bunch of really beautiful blue swirly glass that was just too small to do much with. And then I remembered that I had these water-cut snowflakes that I purchased a handful of a few years ago and never really did anything with. So I think that would be perfect to have little snowflakes backed with swirly blues on my refrigerator. So these are ready to go in the kiln. They're gonna have to wait for the Gen Ken to finish. These are done and ready to have magnets glued on. And I will use my current favorite adhesive, Gorilla Maximum Strength silicone in clear. Does a great job. Sets up in about 30 seconds, and then full cure takes 24 hours. My goodness, how cute these are.